This is Eastside RC's mom. Also known, thanks so much for this magazine. I know the Nitrogang and everybody out there will, it should be Brat Mom over here as well. And guys, she literally spelled, oh yeah, classic. All right, guys, we got a T-Maxx 2.5 Classic right here. One of my viewers, one of my friends now in the Nitrogang showed up with it. So I figured why not include a little bit of my own super noisy RC. Why am I yelling again? Constantly yelling in all my videos because these Nitros are noisy, you know? All right, here we go. What did I say? What did I say? Too loud. Nitro problems, guys. Nitro problems, it's all right. But you know what? The T-Maxx 2.5 Classic, it's killing it. It's on its break-in tank, so, you know, that's why it's not wheeling. I don't want to hear anyone say, oh, get an electric. This is what the break-in looks like. Yeah, mosquitoes too, man. When you run RC, you go to battle. Warm it up. Who's attacking who over here? Just don't shut down over there, Exceed, please. Whoa! Who won that one? Oh, I think I ran out of fuel. I only had enough fuel to actually do a couple slow motion runs, and then, you know, the Nitrogang showed up. That's life, what can I do? We're gonna check out what the temperature on this T-Maxx Classic is. It's a little bit hot, I feel, so let's see. You know what, that's not too bad. What, well, yeah, 230 at the highest point there, really, 240. I would say about 240. It's not crazy high, but you know, a lot of times when you're doing a break-in, the engine tends to run still a little bit hotter than normal. Now, what about the reverse? You said the reverse was like acting weird, so this is the reverse linkage. Can you shift it? Okay, so yeah, we can tell it's shifting. Shift it back. I don't know if this arm, oh, okay, shift it again. Okay, shift it again. Yeah, okay, so this arm is supposed to be moving all the way out. Okay, let's let it cool down and we'll see if the reverse actually works.
It did a couple times.
Also, you know it worked, right?
Yeah. But
yeah, the shocks are soft.
It barely works.
It barely works, right? Because we have to observe this thing actually move all the way out. This linkage, I don't think I saw it before. Like when you were doing it until I touched this boot.
Right.
You know? T-Maxx 2.5 right here, guys. This is first came out in 1999. And then, you know, it only took Traxxas about, I would say, 20 years to sue the shit out of HPI and close them down. But that's okay. We still have the T-Maxx Classic forever. And recently, Traxxas released the brand new Jado 3.3 body. And yet people think it's a brand new Jado. No, guys, it's the same Jado with just different colors. Come on, get a life. All right, Nitrogang, so this T-Maxx, you know, it's in the process of getting broken in. There's something with the shifting reverse linkage. Now, the reverse linkage here, it does work. I adjusted this collar a little bit, you know, further down the shaft to create a little bit more tension on the actual spring when it engages the lever, right? So we could see that it is literally working. I'm engaging it from the remote, the third channel. And the reverse does work. So we're gonna start it up right now and I'll show you now. Please put in the comments if you know what this is. I've never had a T-Maxx Classic, so, you know, I'm trying to help out a fellow Nitrogang member over here. I want him to have a good time, and I want to get a top speed run on this, but, you know, until everything runs good, we just have to fix it one thing at a time. So I'll start it up, and then we're gonna see what the issue is. Okay, so it starts, right? And we got forward is okay. Let's check reverse. Reverse is okay, but it's like really, really powerful. I am barely pressing this, and it's like lunging. You know, that is way too much. Forward, way too much, you know, power. I'm barely pressing the trigger. So drive it a little normally, and then we'll talk about it. So I'm gonna get the owner to drive it right now, and guys, you'll hear how it's kind of like clicking a little bit and forward. You see that? Yeah, what is that? At kind of higher speeds, it goes away, and then it starts to do it again, even in reverse. It engages, but like, what is that stuttering? You see that? No idea. And this is new, it seems okay, but like, what is that? Right there, the stuttering, weird. Just so weird. Then it seems to run okay. And then it starts to stutter. You see that? What is that? It's doing it itself right now. Nobody even knows what this is, guys. Now, I even lowered the idle before. You see, guys, that's not normal. This thing should not be doing this. What is that? Nitrogang, I got a special surprise. This is a vintage 97 HPI Nitro RS4 2. This one is not mine, but it does belong to the Nitrogang. So technically, I guess you could say it's mine, you know. I am the original OG member, of course. That's what I like to think. Fully stock, belt drive, single speed, AM radio, original 15. I think these are like, what engine is this? 15 FE, maybe it's a 12 FE, I'm not sure. 15. Yeah, it's a 15 FE. We got the original exhaust on this. Let's start her up. My favorite feature, the built-in primer. New RCs need to have this. I like these things. Let's do this. I mean, this is like a pretty low 10 scale touring car, you know. There's like giant pebbles on the ground right here. I could just pick up with my hands, but when a Nitrogang wants to have fun, they don't care about the pebbles.
Let's see.
The radio on?
Yep.
Yeah, radio's on. I'm gonna control it with my hand. 2-channel Sport Blazer. Actually, this is the same radio that came on my old Schumacher. Pretty interesting. Nitrogang, what do you think about that? What does that say to you? Doesn't matter what it says. You just need to start this up.
Okay.
Pull start. Let's see.
Yep.
Hopefully no slipping one-way bearing. You know how that is. And guys, I just want you to know, the Nitrogang I'm hanging out with right now knows exactly all of my references. I don't have to explain nothing to them like the Electric Gang.
There we go. Let's prime it a little bit. 3 pumps.
All right. I think he needs a little more fuel.
Come on. Okay, 3 more.
Perfect, look at that, 1997. Does it feel like the brake is applied? I can't tell.
No.
No, it's okay, right?
Yeah.
All right, just drive normal. We don't want any flips over here.
Yeah, this road's not that great.
Yeah, this road sucks, guys. I pay my property taxes and they still don't pay this crap. Nitro RS4. You can't kill a Nitro, I always say that. If there was a natural museum of Nitro history, RS4 2 would be in it. AM radio, so we also got to be careful out here.
The range.
Potholes, got to avoid those potholes.
That's not bad. I don't know, it seems tuned pretty good, no?
Yeah, it seems tuned good. Nitrogang knows how to tune stuff, you know, other than a damn T-Maxx. Look at that, it hasn't even turned off a single time. 15 16 FE, baby, you can't kill it. It might be an ABM design, but you can't kill it. Still got compression, 20 years old. No lipos over here, we don't need lipos.